So you have a lot of New Jersey class student loans that are in default, and the New Jersey Higher Education Student Assistance Authority is coming after you. And you'd like to get out of default, but you'd also like to get that default off your credit so it'll improve your credit scores. Can you do that? Would you like to know the answer? Hi, I'm Steve Richardson, and I'm a New Jersey student loan attorney. And the answer is yes, you can. In the past couple of years, HESAA, or the Higher Education Student Assistance Authority, has become a lot more reasonable in working out deals with people that are in default. Once a loan is in default, it goes out to an attorney to bring suit to collect it, both against the borrower and any co-signers on the loan. But they have been entering into some pretty reasonable payment arrangements. And what they will do is that if you make at least 9 payments, 9 monthly payments under the negotiated payment arrangement that gets you out of default, HESAA will report that to the credit reporting agencies. Now, it can take a little bit of time. After the 9th payment, it can take maybe up to 2-3 more months, so overall a year, to get the entry on your credit report updated to remove the default. But it can be done. Now, be aware that the default will be removed, but your payment history over the past 12 months or 24 months won't change. Now, payment history makes up about 35% of your FICO score. So that going back, those failure to make payments in the past year to 2 years can still keep your score down a bit. But then again, as you go forward, as you're making regular monthly payments on time, that will get better. So this is an offer that is only made once. So if you get out of default by entering into a repayment plan with HESAA, and they remove it from your credit, better not default again, better not miss a payment, because this is a one-time offer. Okay? So yes, making a deal with HESAA on your New Jersey class loans can help you improve your credit score. So if you have New Jersey class loans here in New Jersey that are in default, and you like to work out affordable payments and improve your credit score, I'd be happy to help. Just give me a call at 856-432-4113 to make an appointment to see if I can help you get back on track with these class loans.